So we're in Seattle, well, north of Seattle at the Boeing plant, and we're going into the Future of Flight Museum, and we're going to later get a tour of the factory where they make airplanes, but they won't let us take pictures there. So Maxwell and Courtney are in this simulator, and the thing is going all over the place. Let's see what they have to say about it when they get out. How was it? Well,
it was more like the Mars ride than the flight simulator ride. It just jerked us around a lot. How was it? It was more like the Mars ride.
How was it? The little plane is landing. It's only a little plane. Not a big plane.
Solar panels?
Yeah, look, it's a Russian plane.
Okay.